Got it.
I'm going to put one together.
You did?
Look.
Hang on. Let's see what you got here. What you got?
I put it together.
You put a shell together? That's cool. Where
And
you?
the kitty is already home.
What's it already home?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
I'm at Aunt Lizzie's house.
And what's going on here today? We're playing down on the bay.
Yeah. And
The boys are out kayaking.
yeah, the boys are out kayaking, and I'm putting shells together.
You're
They
putting the
broke.
shells together. And how do they break?
Seagulls dropped them.
You dropped them.
And
Like here? Yeah, I see that. And the boys are out here kayaking.
Ooh, crab shell.
Hey guys, what's going on? You having fun?
What?
You having fun?
Part of a crab, I think.
Where are you? What's the name of the inlet you're on? Do you know?
Aunt Liz's bay.
I think it's called Eld Inlet. Is Aunt Liz's Inlet? It's Eld Inlet. What a beautiful day we're having in February. Wow, look at this. I can't quite see the Olympics, but
Usually it would be
it would
freezing.
be freezing. Yeah.
This is opposite.
Opposite. It's beautiful today. Yeah, quite beautiful today. Well, let's put this down, huh? And Cooper, are you stuck?